Ayres, who founded ISRO, and many others like Albert Einstein. It means it is a deep-rooted and has led a shackled society. A society where children are forced to replace with learning T20s. The world pandemic, technology helped a man lot. Technology played an important role, such as Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Yashram Tripathi from class 5. My dream is to become a doctor. That's why my speech topic is eyes. Eyes are one of the most important part of our body. They help us to things. They help us to see and recognize things. Each wall are fitted in a socket properly. They are protected by eyelids and eyelashes properly. They prevent dirt and dust to enter in the eyes. There are three parts in the eyes. First, iris. The color part in the eye is known as iris. Second, cornea. In the front of the eye, the invisible part is known as cornea, and third and last is pupil. The black spot in the middle of the iris is known as pupil. They help to enter the lights. And a sensory nerve said to be the optic nerve connect the eyes to the brain. Thank you for listening to my speech and have a good day. If we think we can, we are halfway there. Good morning, all of you. I think that thinking is the first step to reach our goals. With this thought, I would like to address this. I, Kriti Verma of class 5th, been standing here before you to tell the power of thinking. Thinking is a powerful weapon which you can use to change your life. Why I am saying that? Because APJ Abdul Kalam, who founded ISRO, and many others like Albert Einstein, their experiments started with thinking. By this, we all concluded, and by this we can know that how we can achieve our dreams. By this we know how we can achieve our dreams, and that by this we can all conclude that thinking is the only reason that we are successful today, because thinking helps us to meet directly to the universe, and if we want something in our life, achieve everything, so we have to think and mindset. I want to say one more thing. When everyone sees a bird, they want to fly, but I want to be that eagle who go beyond the clouds and tear them and passes it away like a warrior. In your life, you have ever seen a shop or a factory where a child is working. It is known as child labor. A child's childhood is for learning. Don't use their childhood for earning. So hey everyone, it's me Bilal from class 5th. Today I wish to shed some light on a topic that has always been a difficult one to talk about, that is child labor. Child labor is a disease that is continuously affecting our society. It means it is a deep-rooted and has led a shackled society. A society where children are forced to replace with learning or earning joyous, a life lesson with complaint, and childhood with a premature adulthood. Child labor is a grave concern. According to an International Labour Organization, 33 million of Indian children are alone engaged in the practice of child labor. Illiteracy, poor with a thought that is small hands can handle a pen better. Lend your support with abolish child labor. Thank you.
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Sahil Patel from class 5th. Today is my presentation topic is cricket. Cricket is most popular sport in the world. Cricket, this is team game. Cricket is played with 11 players in each side, other two teams. This is who beat the bat is called a batsman. Who beat the bowlers is called a bowler. This jungle to stand two men field, they are called umpire. There are many cricket of life. One day is test T20 match of T20. The world is winner award. Cricket makes us physical fit. Cricket is first started in 16th century in England. Cricket is
Good afternoon, my name is Shaurya Nishad. I am from class 5th. I am here to give a presentation on the topic the role of technology in COVID-19. We all know that technology is an essential part of our life today, but during this pandemic, technology helped a man a lot. Technology played an important role such as educating people about the situation and reminding the important precautions about the pandemic situation. We all know that COVID-19 is a very big problem. It is stayed for very